Yes, so my people, I want to come and say a special happy birthday to our beautiful lady. Yes, now, a beautiful woman, a woman with a golden heart, with a very, very large heart. Yes, this woman, she is so beautiful. Now, I know why they talk about so now that sister way to sabi speak English. Sister way they shop English, I say person they shop for way. I don't know whether you know that we don't whether they call sugar. And maybe they shop and they tear. And so this woman say they tear English. So this woman, so today now your birthday, mommy. I wish you long life and prosperity. And I want to come and say thank you for all that you are doing, for all that you do. Wait till they support your husband, wait till they support the entire industry. We want to say thank you, and I want to say happy birthday to you. I wish you long life and prosperity as you fly. So now, so you will fly till sickness not will enter your body. I mean, when you set you, yes, now you go continue to support your husband because they said behind every successful man there's a woman. That's why you stand to be back. This is our ground where they call 24 bits. Now I know this Sandoka make all increase. I said 28 bits, aka man of the people. Yes, now 24 bits now. In work now they do better to this too. Work on 24 bits. Very delicious. This is why she look delicious and beg. If to say na food, you for not they wash hand before you they shop. If you pluck, if you pluck, you know go wash it. You go shop and shop the kanda. Mommy, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health because I'm not worried. Sickness not go enter that your fresh body. Sickness not go know you take come meat because your body not be for sickness. Your body not to be enjoy, not to be snap different picture with that your beautiful shape. Yes, now me where they call Sandoka. We know the truth for who get money, but who gets it? Let me the truth for who come the bush and say happy birthday. And I want to say thank you. Wait to enjoy your husband, they support us. And thank you for everything personally you do for me. People they give me things. I say I like this one, you say that thing. I like something like thing. I know say after this video now you'll see come, you'll see dash with something. You'll dash with something.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about 24 bits wife. Mona, join me celebrate this amazing woman, this beautiful woman, this good woman where they stand by a husband, where they do better Edo, better job for Edo State. God go bless this beautiful woman. Mona, join me celebrate her. Today na her birthday. Today na your day. Do shakara. Today na your day. Do shakara, my sister, because e no easy, like seriously. E no easy. When person head go reach e birthday, Mona join me celebrate her. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. I wish you all the good things where you wish yourself. I wish you better thing when you wish yourself for this your birthday. This your birthday go bring great thing to your life. This your birthday. This your birthday and all your secret prayer. God go put amen for your secret prayer. Mona join me celebrate her. Celebrate this amazing woman. Celebrate her so that celebration not go finish for your house. Celebrate this amazing woman. Mona join me celebrate her. So I go put the video where Sandoka to celebrate them too. So may you too do the same thing. Celebrate her. If you be lovers of good thing, celebrate this amazing woman. I say you not like better thing, now you not go celebrate her. But if you like better thing, may you celebrate this beautiful and gorgeous woman. Mona join me celebrate her. My beg, she wants to celebrate. She wants to celebrate. She wants to celebrate. Celebrate her for me. A better woman, a better potpourri woman. Like this woman are modern. Oh. Hey, her pictures, they boss person head. This woman and a correct model. Mona join me celebrate her. Beg, she wants her. Mona celebrate her. Thank you, my darling people. I'll put the video with Sandoka to celebrate her. The video not go too long, just a short video. Congratulate her and celebrate her for me. Today na her birthday, make she do shakara, Eat anything where you want eat for your husband care today. Oh, eat anything where you want eat. And I know say your husband, they carry last. I know say your husband a correct man. Wanna join me celebrate 24-bit wife. Thank you, my darling people. So I put the video where Sandoka tell wish her happy birthday too. I'm gonna see the correct Google things when she talk about her today. Thank you, my darling people. Bye.
Yes, so my people, I want to come and say a special happy birthday to our beautiful lady. Yes, now, a beautiful woman, a woman with a golden heart, with a very large heart. Yes, this woman, she is so beautiful. Now, I know why they talk about so now that sister way to sabi speak English. Sister way they shop English, like say person they shop where I don't know whether you know whether they call sugar, and maybe they shop and they tear. And so this woman say they tear English. So this woman so today na your birthday, mommy. I wish you long life and prosperity. And I want to come and say thank you for all that you are doing, for all that you do. Wait till they support your husband, wait till they support the entire industry. We want to say thank you, and I want to say happy birthday to you. I wish you long life and prosperity as you fly. So now, so you will fly till sickness not will enter your body. I mean, when you set you, yes, now you go continue to support your husband, because they say behind every successful man there's a woman. That's why you stand to be back. This our ground where they call 24 bits. Now I know this Sandoka make all increase. I said 28 bits, aka man of the people. Yes, now 24 bits now. In wife now they do better to this school. Welcome 24 bits. Very delicious. This is why she look delicious and beg. If to say na food, you for not they wash hand before you they shop hand. If you pluck, if you pluck, you know go wash it, you go shop and shop become that. Mommy, happy birthday to you. I wish you good health, because I'm not worried. Your sickness not go enter that your fresh body. Sickness not go know you take come meet, because your body not be for sickness. Your body not to be enjoy, not to be snap different picture with that your beautiful shape. Yes, now me where they call Sandoka, we know the trip for who get money, but who gets it? Let me the trip for. We call the wish and say happy birthday, and I want to say thank you. Wait to enjoy your husband, they support us. And thank you for everything personally they do for me. You they give me things. I say I like this one, you say that thing. I like to hear my thing. I know say after this video now you'll see come, you'll see dash me something. You'll dash me something. So yeah,